you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. If you want a review on this hair, the link will be down below. I am doing the Boxycharm. I haven't done a Boxycharm in a hot minute. Since I have a couple of Boxycharms in the back waiting to be open, I said I'm still going to film it. I don't care if I'm late, I'm going to do it. So, if you want to see what was in my Boxycharm, then let's get right into this video. Alright, long overdue Boxycharm. Let me know if I should subscribe back to Boxycharm, guys. If y'all like these videos, because it's been a minute. Alright, so this Boxycharm, I want to say this is a Valentine's Day one. I mean, in this box, it comes with a Real Her Dream So Big eyeshadow palette. It has 9 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades and are infused with avocado oil, coconut oil, and other vegan powerhouse ingredients for hydration and anti-aging properties. This is $28. I had Real Her before, so I know their stuff is good. I feel like I have a lot of these colors already, like pinkish, nudes. Next thing, Studio Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. The perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. This is $45. It's a cute little bottle. This bottle is cute. I think I'm gonna start trying out my stuff. Boxycharm has sent me a lot of skincare products and I haven't been using them. And then I got the Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. This is $19. See, makeup is expensive. Then the Sophia and Mabel Satin Powder Highlights Peach Sangria. That's too cute. And this is $22. It looks like this. Then last thing, Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner is water-resistant liquid eyeliner. The vegan fade-proof water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. This is $18. Is that insane for a liner? If it's in a box, why they got it wrapped up too? I'm confused. It's not as black as I would like it to be. We shall see on the eyes. Going into Desire, putting that in the brow bone. I feel like I'd be wasting a lot of product, which I probably do. And you see why I say that I'm too much product is now that I done applied the P. Louise base, I cut it, and now I'm applying it again. Instead of putting the P. Louise base where I want it first and then cutting it and then adding more. You understand what I'm saying? Like going in levels instead of like putting the P. Louise base all on the lid and just cutting it and adding more P. Louise base. I just feel like I'm wasting a whole bunch of product. Going into Imagine, which is this brown shade right here. Do you see what I'm saying? Cutting it again. Oh God, wasting all of this P. Louise base. Going back into that pink Desire. Going back into Imagine. Maybe I shouldn't, cut it. Glue. Using the P. Louise base. What is this? Winter Rose. The glitter pot I got from Amazon. And as you can see, the inner corner of my eyes are tearing once again. I think I'm just going to put brown under the waterline. So of course my eyes is tearing. We love that. Alright, so the black liner. I'm gonna put a little bit on. I feel like the liner, the lashes stick on without the liner. Alright, so I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC Chestnut. I'm really liking this hair. Why you don't have a part? Annoying. Then I'm gonna go into the Tarte Man-Eater. Ooh, it smells really good. It tastes really good. It tastes like strawberry. Ooh, I'm liking this. I already set my face with the All Night Setting Spray. I'm gonna use the highlight that they have. Where it go? Where you go? Where you go? Where did you go? Oh, right here in front of me. Oh, I didn't even put blush on. I love orange blush now. Ooh, is this plumping? Because I'm feeling a little stingy. Value Plump Complex for visibly plumping looking lips. So it's stinging, it's working. Ooh, like it. All right, into the highlight. I don't feel like the product is coming up. Don't disappoint me because I like how I look. This is too cute. Oh, okay, Boxycharm. I'm gonna put some in the inner corner, of course, because my eye was tearing, being annoying, being the B-I-T-C. Y'all know the rest. I like put a V on my nose and just do the bridge in the corner. Definitely not doing it for me. Going into my Starstruck. I had this for a while. This is Belle. I don't think she has Belle anymore. This is the finished look. I'm gonna tell you my thought. I'm gonna tell you what I really like the most. Where is that? If you can see my beauty desk, you're gonna be like, what the heck? Yeah, so I really like this Tarte Man-Eater the most. It's $18. It's a lip pumping gloss. And it tastes real good. It's very hydrating. It feels so good. It tastes good. It smells good. I like the amount that they give you. $19. I would pay $19 for this, absolutely. This Sophia and Mabella, I would like it to be more like blinding, but this is like a kind of like if you don't want too much, and it's, you see it's a little shimmer. It's not really like blinding like in your face like my BH Doja Cat, ex Doja Cat. But this is definitely like an everyday on the go. If you want a little simple shine, you could put it anywhere. For that little thing, $22, I wouldn't pay for it. That's a dub. So that's a no. This I'm gonna have to try. And then the liner, I would like it to be more liquidy and more like the pen to be a little bit longer. And I don't feel like it's black enough to the point where you're like, because in the inner corners I had to pull out my Wet n Wild. So if you want a vegan solution, you can do this, but it's not as black as I would like it to be. The last thing is the Real Her palette. It was a lot of fallout, but I feel like I've gotten this palette before. Like, it's nothing new about this palette. It's an everyday palette. Overall, I would give this Boxycharm a 6. And that's being real, because the only thing I really positively like is this lip gloss. Like, this lip gloss is it, child. You didn't have to give me anything else but that, and I would have been like, so yeah. So this is the look I came up with. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and until next time, Peace.